Today, I started the installation of a basement sewage ejection system, and right from the beginning, I knew this was a job that demanded precision and care. The first step was preparing the base for the basin. I poured a generous layer of crushed stone into the pre-dug hole and compacted it firmly with my boots, ensuring a solid, level foundation. Every great system starts with a stable base. If this shifts later, it can cause major failures, and fixing that costs a lot more than doing it right the first time. Once the base was perfect, I carefully lowered the large sewage ejection basin into position. I used a spirit level in multiple directions, making sure the basin sat perfectly flat. Level placement is crucial. Any tilt can affect pump performance and system longevity. Next, I backfilled around the basin with more crushed stone, compacting it tightly with pieces of wood to provide a solid enclosure. Then, I turned my attention to the piping. I attached the PVC drainage pipes using rubber connectors and metal clamps, tightening each connection to ensure a watertight seal without risking damage to the fittings. Each pipe was carefully laid with a precise pitch, roughly a quarter-inch drop per foot, to ensure gravity drainage would carry wastewater smoothly without backups. Under each pipe, I added stone bedding to prevent sagging over time, which is often overlooked but can lead to expensive repairs. Once the pipes were properly set, I packed the trench with more crushed stone and prepared for the concrete pour. I mixed high-strength concrete and poured it carefully around the basin and pipes, then leveled it with trowels to match the existing floor surface. The finish had to be smooth and flush to prevent issues with future flooring installation. By the end of the day, the system was fully installed, perfectly aligned, and ready to operate. The homeowner knew the value of paying for quality workmanship. Material and labor costs were transparent, and the result was a reliable, long-lasting sewage ejection system. I left the site clean, professional, and confident that this installation would function flawlessly for years to come. Every step, from leveling the basin to pouring the final concrete, reflected the attention to detail that separates a temporary fix from a permanent solution.